Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to delete a chat on the WhatsApp app for PC. Whether you're looking to declutter your chat list or remove an unnecessary conversation, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chat list. Once the app is open, you'll see all your recent conversations displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, locate the chat you want to delete. You can scroll through your chat list to find it, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the conversation. Once you've found the chat, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure about deleting this chat. To finalize the process, click Delete again in the confirmation box. And that's it. The selected chat will be permanently removed from your WhatsApp on PC. Keep in mind that deleting a chat removes all messages and media shared within that conversation. This action cannot be undone, so double-check before confirming the deletion. By following these steps, you can easily manage your WhatsApp chats and keep your conversations organized. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.